this video, you will learn about the Smart Document Camera. Click the power button, which will turn green, so you will know that it is on. To access your Smart Document Camera, you will click on the icon and open up the software. You will see that your camera is connected and press play. My Smart Document Camera is showing the base, but you can see it is sideways. So if I want to rotate it, I will click and turn it until it is the right direction. Now I'd like to zoom in, so I'm going to use the zoom feature. Let's talk about our different options on the display. Right here is your power button. It is green, and you want to make sure that that is turned on before you start using your document camera. Less brightness or more brightness. If I want to zoom in more, I can do that. The AF is autofocus, which is on the cameras. Over here, I can freeze, but you also notice on the bottom of the screen, there is freeze. So if I wanted to freeze a frame of my document camera, then I can switch out something and put another piece of paper or another activity under the document camera. So I'm going to freeze that now, and I could put the remote control underneath. And now when I unfreeze, you see the remote control, which also has a lot of the same features as the base of the document camera. You could record from your document camera base. There's a lamp, which would turn on a light if you needed more light. You could capture, which would allow you to take a picture of a document that you're using from the document camera. You have info and your camera PC. Over here is your Wi-Fi indicator. If this light is blue, then the Wi-Fi is on, and that would be one reason that you're not seeing your document camera once you open the app. So you want to make sure that that light is not blue, and you would turn on and off the Wi-Fi with this. So the Wi-Fi should be off. Let's talk about the features on the bottom of the page. These features will all be there on your smartboard, so you could use your document camera in one area and then just access all of these features on your smartboard. We already talked about freeze, and now we can talk about annotation. So you would be able to write on a document that is under your document camera from your smartboard. If I wanted to take a screenshot of the entire page, I would do it here. If I wanted to record a lesson, including recording my voice, I could choose to have the microphone on, or I could just do a screencast and not have the microphone on. This will save within the document camera app. If I just wanted to take a picture of a piece of what is on my screen, I would do that with the scissors and then just capture that small area. Autofocus is automatically on. That's a great thing to leave on. But if you did want to adjust it yourself, you can change the focus. And now if I just turn autofocus back on, it will adjust for me. This is a really great feature where I could have multiple documents displayed at the same time. So I would click on Add File. I could choose that screenshot that I just had along with what is on my document camera. Let's see what else I could add. I got 2 pictures here. Oops, I'm sorry. You have to click on each item that you wanted to include. And now I can have 3 pictures on my smartboard at the same time. When I no longer want to have multiple items on my screen, I can just check off of that. And now I'm back to my one item. On the top right-hand corner, there's the settings. Here I have my camera. It tells me all of the things that will be on my display. In display, you can also display a timer. And this will allow you to have a 2-minute timer on your smartboard. And when I want to set the timer, I just click the play button. When I close the preview, I will be back in the document camera software. So here I have all my document cameras. Here I have the library. The library will have my images and videos saved. If I double click, I will see the images, or I could go double click again. And if I took a screen capture or created a video recording, it would be here.